How to view Windows feature update history on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to check which major updates have been installed on your computer. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Windows Update. From there, click on Update History. At this point, this opens a full list of updates installed on your device, sorted by most recent. In the next step, scroll through to look for entries labeled as feature updates specifically. Following this, these are typically larger updates that introduce new features, unlike smaller quality or security updates. Once done, click on any listed update to see more details about what it included. From here, check the installation date next to each entry to track when major updates were applied. At this stage, if you're looking for your current overall Windows version instead, go back to Settings, then click on System, then About. Keep in mind, the About page shows your current OS build and version number, which reflects the most recent feature update installed on your device. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've reviewed your update history. And that's it. If this guide helped you view Windows feature update history on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.